Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you what the disallow URLs means within the reporting section of our SEO tool. Now our SEO tool performs a range of technical site audit checks after it crawls and scrapes data from websites. It analyzes that data and performs checks, and we do this so that we can break down or segment data into useful categories for you. Now in the indexation section, which we can focus on here, there's lots of different things that will all affect indexation quite strongly, which we've grouped together. We cover each of these points in more depth in other videos. A disallowed URL is a URL that has in the robots.txt file a disallow, which will specify through a number of different ways that certain content shouldn't be crawled by Google. Now that means that when Google are crawling your site, they won't actually crawl that content or those resources, and thus that will prevent them from becoming indexable, and they won't therefore show up in the search results. Although we don't actually have any data within this, if we click through and then you can imagine that there was some rows of data here, you'd have the URL, the status of the URL, whether it has a no index tag and whether it's disallowed from the robots, as well as whether it's in the sitemap. And we include this because typically data that's disallowed from the robots shouldn't appear in the sitemap. But it's also best practice, if you're going to disallow content, if you can, to add a no index tag to that as well. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.